18 USC 241, Conspiracy Against Rights. From Title 18, Crimes and Criminal Procedure. Part Y, Crimes, Chapter 13, Civil Rights. Paragraph 241, Conspiracy Against Rights. If two or more persons conspire to injure, oppress, threaten, or intimidate any person in any state, territory, commonwealth, possession, or district in the free exercise or enjoyment of any right or privilege secured to him by the Constitution or laws of the United States, or because of his having so exercised the same, or if two or more persons go in disguise on the highway or on the premises of another, with intent to prevent or hinder his free exercise or enjoyment of any right or privilege so secured, they shall be fined under this title or imprisoned not more than 10 years or both. And if death results from the acts committed in violation of this section, or if such acts include kidnapping or an attempt to kidnap, aggravated sexual abuse or an attempt to commit aggravated sexual abuse or an attempt to kill, they shall be fined under this title or imprisoned for any term of years or for life or both, or may be sentenced to death. (18 USC paragraph 241, known as the Conspiracy Against Rights Statute, is a federal law that criminalizes conspiracies to deprive individuals of their constitutional or legal rights. Here are the key points about this statute. Elements of the offense. 1. Two or more persons must conspire, agree, to act together. 2. The conspiracy must aim to injure, oppress, threaten, or intimidate any person. 3. The purpose must be to prevent the free exercise or enjoyment of any right or privilege secured by the Constitution or federal laws. Protected rights. The statute covers a broad range of rights, including the right to vote, the right to participate in federal elections and political processes, the right to be free from violence or intimidation based on race, color, religion, or national origin, the right to due process and a fair trial, the right to travel freely, the right to access public accommodations without discrimination. Penalties. For a basic violation, the penalty is a fine or up to 10 years in prison, or both. If the violation results in death, kidnapping, aggravated sexual abuse, or an attempt to kill, the penalty can be life imprisonment, the death penalty, or any term of years in prison, in addition to fines. Key points. An overt act in furtherance of the conspiracy is not required for a conviction. Violence is not a prerequisite. Obstructing or hindering rights is sufficient. The statute applies to both private individuals and public officials acting under color of law. Actual deprivation of rights is not required. The conspiracy itself is the crime. In summary, 18 USC paragraph 241 is a powerful federal statute that criminalizes conspiracies aimed at interfering with a wide range of constitutional and statutory rights, carrying severe penalties for violations.